media, social media platforms on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. Michael Schiavello, Mitch Chilson with you ringside. Nguyen of Vietnam, the megastar in the black. Aswan Chewil of Malaysia in the fluoro and black. 4 rounds gloves, Muay Thai rules. Round kick from Aswan Chewil.
Stop!
Open trade knees.
Stop!
Flash of leg kicks. Nguyen is absolutely built for this one. Ripped, stripped and striated. Outside leg kick from Aswan.
Aswan Chewil says he hasn't shown his best stuff yet. He was knocked out in the first round by to show. And he knows he's going in, he's the enemy here, so he's got to really put on a performance because he wants to win these fans over and show them just how talented he truly is.
He does have the experience, some 30 pounds more than Nguyen. Outside leg kick from Nguyen. Misses the leg kick to Aswan. Kick from Nguyen.
Beautiful.
A beautiful low sweep there from Nguyen.
He's got some beautiful techniques. He has almost no setup whatsoever. His legs are lightning fast.
He turned it! The Hitman Maker, and it's up for Nguyen! Nguyen steps forward, brings the elbow. Steps through elbow, smack back to the nose! Chewil will be breathing out of the back of his head.
Chewil's got to keep those hands up. He's got to protect that chin.
What about the round kick to Nguyen? Backs up Aswan Chewil. 2-punch combination from the Vietnamese megastar.
Aswan Chewil's got to be careful when those shots opens up momentarily. And the speed that Nguyen has, he can capitalize on it.
He tried to get with a downward elbow. That's crazy from Aswan Chewil. Big leg kick. Reddened around the quadriceps, just above the lead knee of Aswan Chewil.
30 seconds left in the first round.
Been a great opening round for Nguyen. Another sweep! How do you do? That is excellence of execution from Nguyen. Nguyen.
See just where number 1 got that nickname. Looking spectacular so far.
Trying to jump him again here. Aswan won't go down this time. Final seconds of the first round. And it's going to go on the record books. Unofficially, on my scorecard, 10-9 round for Nguyen in front of a sold-out crowd in the Phu Tour Indoor Stadium.
Yeah, watch this speed shown by Nguyen Tran, just beautiful. Look at that. See, you can see right there, Aswan Chewil, he opens up right as he's about to throw a shot, and that's when Nguyen was able to connect with that beautiful high kick. He's got to be careful. He's got to stay a little bit tighter when he starts to exchange these shots, or set something up a little bit more. Throw a jab, throw a leg kick, put a hand combination together, because it seems like Nguyen Tran has got his number.
Second round of 3. Fantastic opening stanza for Nguyen Tran of Vietnam.
Hey!
What a glittering spectacle it is here in Ho Chi Minh City for the first ever One Championship show in Vietnam. The first ever all-striking show. Just caught him with the toes against the jaw there. Didn't hit him with the shin or the instep.
These kicks are coming with some serious heat, Michael.
Nguyen faster than a speeding ticket. Goes to the outside lead thigh. Jumping roundhouse from Aswan Chewil.
Aswan Chewil needs to make this ugly, man. He's got to put some hands on him. He's got to get out of that kicking range. He cannot stand at the end of these kicks.
Probing with the jab. Nguyen. Aswan lunges forward. Overhead
Nice little body shot there. Nguyen's coming very, very close to sending this place absolutely bonkers.
There's the high kick again. It's millimeters away.
Oswan Chaewil needs to glue that right hand to the side of his head.
Spin backwards after the high kick. A beauty.
He's got some serious speed.
There you go. These now in midsection. They are going to blow the roof off this stadium if he knocks him out.
See a little bit of damage on the cheek there. Oswan Chaewil. Courtesy, I think it was that possible right hand in round one, thrown by Nguyen.
40 seconds remaining, second round of 3.
Yeah, he went down low with that one too. You can see Nguyen, Oswan Chaewil tried to come back and he goes low with the leg kick.
In the second round.
Nguyen has such an unorthodox start, so unpredictable.
He's competing in so many different martial arts, but his background is the traditional martial art of Vietnam, Vo Vietnam. So he is an expert in it.
Right into the ribs.
And tremendously fast. And we're seeing that until Drew here from Nguyen.
Caught with the left hand. Here's the forward. Chaewil in trouble. Grenades. Down he goes again. Another thing from Nguyen. Total and utter ownership from Nguyen in the second round.
Just thriving off this crowd. This energy is propelling Nguyen to incredible heights.
How did he get
Watch
up
this.
from
Watch
How
this.
did he get up?
Beautiful. Look at that. Oh! Shin to chin. Beautifully done by Nguyen. And it looked like he was out. That was going to be it, but he pops back right back up. Oswan Chaewil is tough. I'll give him that much. How you get face planted and pop back up?
Unbelievable. Face planted, knocked out, and he got up. Well, Jordan Bull in his corner. What can Oswan Chaewil do to turn the tide in the third and final? And can Nguyen Tran give the crowd hear what they want?
Out!
Produce the knockout.
Hard to follow up that knockout we just had, Michael Schiavello, but if anybody can do it, I believe it could be Nguyen.
It's the first ever World Championship striking shot. All Muay Thai and kickboxing tonight. And the first time ever in Vietnam. And they have turned out in their thousands. Outside leg kick from Nguyen. Opening with the jab. Tries to catch the low kick.
See the way his hand comes down like that. So dangerous for Oswan Chaewil. Every time he throws a kick or a punch, just on the left side with a punch, he's dropping his right hand.
Oswan not able to find the angle, not able to find a clean way in. It's just hard to predict what Nguyen's going to do next. And that's why Oswan has not been allowed to truly settle throughout this entire contest. Nguyen looks for another low swing. Very effective with them in the first round, if you remember. Outside thigh kick there from Nguyen.
I predict he's going to throw a left switch high kick.
He's into the crystal ball. Leg kick there from Oswan Chaewil. Right high kick from Nguyen. Oh, nice right hand, full extension, gut-punching knee from Nguyen. Referee Alex Tolapsis breaks them up. 1 minute 30 remaining. Nguyen.
Good job, Oswan Chaewil to clinch up there after he exchanged.
Bounce.
It's after the exchange, after the shot, after the combination is thrown from Oswan Che Will, that's when Nguyen's able to capitalize. That was a smart technique from Oswan Che Will to clinch up afterwards.
Nicely done. Switching stance. Tip kick to the lead leg. Jumping roundhouse from Oswan Che Will. You may see some desperation start to creep into the game plan of Oswan Che Will. Throws a knee.
Stop. Stop.
4 knees in the clinch here from Nguyen.
Bounce.
35 seconds on the clock now. It'll take something special from Oswan Che Will.
30 seconds left.
Getting knocked down spectacularly in the second round. Carlos Galactus wants to see more action.
There's that left high kick.
Corner Vargas.
Check out this, just, beautifully done. The timing impeccably placed onto the chin of Oswan Che Will. Welcome to one Super Series and one championship, Nguyen Tran. Wu Yi Yan, beautiful done.